What's up, Brite Nation?
What's up?
Brite Nation?
All right, so we are in Black Mountain in Kentucky. This is the first time we have ever been to the park, and if you did not watch the last video, go back and watch it because it went a little something like this. So it's only been like 5 minutes since that last video, and we are still on the trail. The stepchild is still running, luckily, and we are on the next trail, which is known as Mason Jar. And just so you guys know, we're with Discover 4x4 Adventures on their Big Rig Roundup. We were
not invited.
Invited by proxy, kind of.
Yeah.
They were invited.
Well, we were invited, and then there are +2.
Yeah, so that's how it works.
+1.
It's so far, it's been
a show.
It's been a show.
Have you been entertained?
Yeah. And we expect this video to be no less. So Mason Jar starts, well, for us, it's going to start by going down all of that.
Coffee's in the floorboard.
Oh! Obviously they're not with our group, but we come across some other rigs, and something tells me none of our rigs are going to make it look that easy. All right, so we made it down to the bottom of Mason Jar, at least all the way down to the lookout section. Stunning views, but now it's time to go back up everything we just came down. This is where the real fun starts.
You might have to bump it past that because you're trying to climb everything all at once.
No, that was it. That was it.
See if it'll crawl. Whoa.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
That's good.
Your rear tire is also trying to climb a wall that's at least half its height. Just to get up. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Nice and slow. Just go slow. 'Cause if your slider's holding you right now, but if your slider pops up, it's gonna get weird. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how to like that front right. God, I wish we had a suck down winch. There you go, slow. The front right's gonna maybe come down. Yep. Oh, come on. It's gonna pivot you, which is good-ish. It might come, or you might end up sliding and bellying out hard. Just slow. Just keep going slow. All right, so we're gonna hook a winch up, just in case that slider pops up and he slides over. Better safe than sorry. Volunteer who is voluntold. Again, we're just kind of using him to hold us tight to see what it does. Turn uphill a little. Yeah. All right. Just keep the winch tight, but don't use it. See if you can crawl the rest. Keep going. You're fine. Ah! You're so close. All right. We'll take it. Baby winch assist, but that's still. You can turn a little driver, Kev. Turn driver. Driver. Turn driver. Driver. Keep coming, driver. Let it slide. Yep. There you go. Now straighten out. Woo! Well. We'll take it. And again, perfect time to remind everyone that her rear diff is like... We gotta go the highway! You okay right now? Master diff. That's it. Yep. Ready? Cut uphill. Right there. Keep coming. Keep your wheel speed. There you go. Straighten out. Keep going. Woo! How you doing?
Didn't feel good. I'm fine.
Keep your wheel speed. Turn uphill towards Kevin. Yep, that's it. That's it. Woo! You wear your brown pants today?
Blue ones, but hey, I'm okay.
She killed it. It really is showing the difference between a 4-door and a 2-door out here with her knowing how to drive and me thinking I know how to drive, I guess. Where I'm on my slider, her back tire's already climbing.
Her
Like
slide
it's
didn't even touch her
well,
slider.
right, because
Yeah.
well that and she's 42, she's
Yeah,
taller,
yeah.
but it just shows you like you can have people that know how to drive, but the wrong rig. I mean, I almost made it, but almost just
4-door, 40s, and an 80. 2-door, 42s, and a 60.
yeah.
It's a game of inches and it makes a huge difference. So you can see another rig try to go up that same line that Kevin and Luna just went up, and he's not in a great position. A second ago, we were watching him, he had hide centered on top of the stump, which is exactly what I was afraid of happening to Kevin if his rock slider kind of went up over the top end of that stump. But yeah, he's definitely not in a good position right now. Woo! Ah! He made it! He made it! That was sick!
Oh my God!
Rolled it. Idled over it.
Idled over it!
Idled over it. What was that?
So Marlon put that on the stepchild when we were at Windrock several days ago. And Kevin has still, I don't think, noticed it, or if he's noticed it, he just has left it there.
I'm learning.
So the issue with that line, why the other guy backed off it as well, is as you get up, the rock that's right in the center is just right into your drive shaft, your rear drive shaft. So unless you want to potentially brake or just bend the or just destroy your rear drive shaft, it's definitely not one you want to actually bump it on. So you can see that rock right there. That's the one everyone's hitting their drive shafts on, trying to go up that line. This is the alternative. Luna pulled off to the side. Her transmission apparently is getting hot. She still has the stock transmission on her Jeep. So in the meantime, Kevin is... So I went ahead and told Kevin, I said, climb up just to see where we're hitting the belly. Oh yeah, Kev, you got that. You can back up and just send it. I just wanted to see where the belly basically hit, to see if we had the belly clearance and the breakover angle to send it up that without compressing his spine. I could hear the spinal compression.
Kevin's like, let me move my Jeep real quick.
We
You
made
know
it all the
the
way
difference
down.
between having a Jeep and a buggy Jeep?
Windows for the win.
To the window.
To the mud. So I would say Black Mountain is probably, as of right now, one of my favorite East Coast parks. That
Okay,
was like
That's fair.
That's so
like
beautiful.
it.
I
like it.
it's like it's rock crawling, a little less mud, but like gnarly stuff.
But versus Windrock?
Honestly.
But we've only seen like.
That's true. We
1%
haven't
of
seen
Windrock.
much of Windrock, but so
But I agree
far
with her. I think this
of
is
what I've
awesome. Like,
seen in all the parks we've been to, this
Yeah.
so far is
The
my
cool
favorite.
thing is this is gonna have Harlan has just as difficult obstacles as Windrock, but it's a lot more condensed. So you're not doing the huge drives from obstacle to or trail to trail, and it's not gonna take you a million hours
Yep.
to get back.
It does
But we
take a
love
minute.
Windrock. It's not a bad thing. It's just different.
It does.
Same,
But
but
it-
different.
It does take a minute to get, because it's a mountain. Like it takes you.
It's
get
several
up to the
mountains.
mountain.
Yeah.
Several.
Yeah.
It took us like 20 minutes to
But
get
we
down
were-
here, right?
We were
Bombing.
bombing. Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, stay tuned because we have more wheeling coming. We're actually here tomorrow as well, so expect another Black Mountain.
Shenanigans.
Yeah.
video.
It
Yeah.
should be raining all day tomorrow.
It's supposed to be raining too, so
What could go wrong, right?
yeah, what could
Maybe
go
we'll
wrong?
ride with you guys.
Guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, find all your Lite Brite Nation merch and decals at litebritstudios.com. And of course, if you don't follow Luna and Marlon with Off-Roading Chill already, go ahead and go follow them. They're really rad.
And y'all can quit talking about. Yeah, I know I have gray hair. Y'all can quit
'cause of
talking
me.
about it.
It's because of me.
Yeah.
Guys,
Silver
that's
Fox status.
yeah. Guys, as always, we love you. And we'll see you next time. Bye. What's up, Lite Brite Nation?
What's up, guys?
Am I the only one saying it? We can't get our shit right. What's up, Lite Brite Nation?
What's,
What's
up,
up,
Lite
Lite
Brite?
Nation?
We're going over there laughing.
Something happened? What happened?